Hello guys. How are you today? Check where we are. Let me show you a surprise. Dun, dun, dun. Yes, today we are located in the Shenzhen HS Fiber Communication Equipment CEO, the RTT. We are now located in the factory. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you how is their production line. Okay, follow me. Okay, before we go to the production line, we're gonna pass by the electronic stock. This is for the cooling all these components, chipsets. Also, we're gonna pass by the warehouse. See? Oh no, see the warehouse? Yes, full of the stuff, full of the ready to ship goods. Okay, now we come to the production. Check what they are doing today. Check what the teams are doing. Oh, okay. Let's go on the Wi-Fi calibration. Now, Wi-Fi calibration station. Was checking today. It's a dual band PCB. Dual band OU PCB. Okay, now we place another one to test. Always automatically. Okay. After this, we'll go for the assembling. After the assembling, we'll go for this information writing. Okay, after that, then we go for the BOB testing. Let's see my team what they're testing. Which model? Oh, uh-oh. Okay, this is a customer's information, so I will not check details. After the BOB, then we go for the cooling testing and chip testing. After chip testing, then we go for the information verification again to check, double check. And here is the packing. It's my packing team. And now what they're packing is the 1G EOU without Wi-Fi. This is from my customer order. Okay. Oh, good. This is the 1G EOU. Nice design for the heat dissipation as well. Very good, excellent. Switch on and off. Last step, double check the Mac and SN. Okay. Final packing. Here we see the HSGQ brand and the model, username, password, Mac, SN. From Shenzhen HS Fiber Communication Equipment CEO, the RTD. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any question about the protection line, or if you have any order, please feel free to contact us. Bye bye. I'll see you next time. Next time I'm gonna show you more about the ORT production.